Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we have a tailgate assist that we will be installing for the F150. And it's a tailgate dampener. So basically my tailgate is a base model tailgate and it slams down. So we're gonna go ahead and today and install this WINUNITE. I don't know how to say it. It's like a DZ tailgate assist, and this is it right here. It's like a hydraulic assist, so when you drop the tailgate, it goes down slow like a dampening system. It's super cheap compared to the actual OEM tailgate dampener. This is like 20 bucks on Amazon or something. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. But it does come with everything you need, and by the things of looking at it, I like how they gave you all the tools that you need as well. So you really don't need anything, any other tools if you don't have any. And here are the brackets right here. And the instructions are not really clear, but it's it's kind of simple. You kind of just take the cord off, put the bracket in, bracket down here, and then you put the hydraulic system in. So I'll show you step by step on how to do that. So let's jump right into the video. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this off right here. And actually, if you would just pry this up like that, kind of lift the tailgate up a little bit, should be able to just snap this thing right off. Just like that. Alright, step number 2, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put this bracket up on there. So we have to go ahead and take this bolt out. So they actually supplied you with some hardware, which is awesome in case you don't have any tools. So let's go ahead and loosen this right here. Alright, so that is out right here. And we're going to go ahead and replace it with this bolt. So it's going to look just like that. So perfect. And then we'll go ahead and put this back in. Just like that. There you go. Alright, so number 3, what we're going to do is we're going to take these bolts out. So I can go ahead and put this over top and then put the bolts back in. So I actually already cranked them with this. This is a 10mm. And like I said, if you don't have tools, they give you tools. So if you want to make it easier, you can use your own 10mm on a ratchet strap or on a ratchet, and it'll come out a lot easier, or a drill. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to use these without using any of your tools. So you can actually just go ahead and take both of these off, and then I'll show you. We'll go ahead and put the bracket on, and then we'll just have one more step. So this is the bracket. It's going to go like that, and we're just going to use the same bolts. You can go ahead and do everything in reverse. So now this little ball that comes out, you're able to put the hydraulic system on. Same thing what we did up top by the tailgate. So you can actually just go ahead and hand tighten these first, and then go ahead and tighten these down just like that. Probably one of the easiest mods that you can do to your truck. And it's usually one of the first mods that people do. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the other side to really tighten it down. There we go. Perfect. All right, so that's good there. All right, so we have the first piece of the hydraulic system on here. Just slides right in. There's actually some lubricant inside, some grease. And to get the second part on, I'm just gonna go ahead and lift this tailgate up just a little bit so I can go ahead and get it on. Like that. Go ahead and slide it on just like that. Now I'm gonna let it down. And then, lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up. Hey! Now it's on. Okay. So now, let's go ahead and put this back just like that. And we should be good. All right, so just got that thing installed, and it works pretty well. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. So I'm gonna lift it up right here, and let it fall. And there we go. So it just falls completely down, super smooth, and super easy install, guys. So if you have any questions, leave a like and a comment. I'd love to get back for you. If you want to know where I found this, I have a link in the description for Amazon. 25, 30 bucks. You can go ahead and check it out. Put a link in the description so you can go ahead and check that out. But if you want to see any other videos, leave a comment. I'd love to get back with you and figure out what other videos I can do for the truck, what kind of mods I can do. I think I have about 20 different mods on the truck so far, so it's coming together. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.